Alright guys, a bit of an unorthodox video. We're doing an unboxing. So I just got this pressure washer here, Home Depot, Ryobi 1600 PSI. It looks pretty small, so let's take a look at what's inside of it. Let's just open this up real quick. I'll make this real quick. I might add this to another video, let's see. Alright, let's see what's in here. First off, we got the one, we actually have a real quick connect. That's awesome. And at this end, it just kind of looks like plastic with kind of just like a rubber end on it. So half of it's pretty good quality, the other half is questionable. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Alright, so we got our hose. What else? What do we have here? This looks like a pickup for either a pickup for water or a pickup for like a soap bottle of some sort. And it has what looks to be like a direct nozzle. Let's look at what's in here. Alright, so is this a twist nozzle? Not even. So this, I imagine, click them like that. Nice and easy to use, but it looks like a spot washer. And this, not sure yet. Let's figure that one out. Next up, well, I will say I'm lifting this thing up. This thing here, this is the hose. Rated for 2000 PSI. It looks actually not bad. Keep away from hot surfaces. Well, if you're in the sun, I'm not sure how that's going to work. Just kind of regular stuff here and here. So there's nothing really fancy about it, but I will say it looks nice and malleable, so that's pretty good. Let's put that aside here. Alright, for the actual unit, let's see. So this actual unit here, alright, wow. That's actually way smaller than I thought. Alright, let's see here. Alright, on and off switch. Oh, it's actually a push button like that. That's cool. This, I imagine, is your... Looks like where the high pressure line comes in. Yeah, perfect. Let's keep this cap on. A bunch of danger, a bunch of different nozzles. Oh, yes. So it has quick nozzles like this. What I would recommend doing is not using these. Well, maybe not this one. I don't know what this is for, but this is kind of like your regular one. It doesn't even say, does it say what angle? 16 degree? Okay, does the nozzle actually twist inside? Oh wow, it doesn't even twist. Okay, I guess you can play with it on the nozzle. So this is kind of your regular stuff. So this is, this is for low pressure when you're using soap. Oh, okay, I see. I see. The other one is for high pressure. Your water line you put into here. And I will say, there is plenty of cord in this. You can definitely walk around the car with this. Just kind of bring this with you. So that's definitely not an issue. That's awesome. You're going to keep this out of the water. And it seems like good quality. It seems, it has a GFI breaker in here. Ground fault indicator circuit. That's not bad actually. I should kind of really enjoy this. Nice little unit. 1600 PSI. Now, I know there's some better ones on the market, way higher pressure, but when you're actually detailing vehicles like I am, the paint's really thin and stuff, and some of the vehicles sometimes, maybe there's a rust spot starting that you cannot see, and then you're just chipping paint at that point. So I think we've all heard horror stories of detailing shops that bought the biggest, baddest pressure washer, and it just wiped the paint right off the body, and now you have a super high bill at the body shop. So this, I think, is not that bad. This will definitely fit into my trunk. And oh, this is what this is. Soap injection. Oh, look at that. So plug this into here, Okay, I won't plug it in because So I guess you're gonna plug this into here as such, and then this is gonna be your pickup. You just drop this into your bottle. Now I'm not sure how that's gonna work. By the time that goes all the way up into your hose, I feel like you'd be still using a lot, but it's kind of nice. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how I like this because you have a super long cord. I feel like you'd be moving this unit around the car a lot, and then you also have this to worry about. So we'll try it out and see kind of where that comes in. So this nice little gun, it's not that high quality, all plastic. Oh, it does seem to have a lock for it. That's good. So nice little lock, awesome. Your hose comes in the bottom, like a regular pressure washer. That's great. It's out of your way, easier to manipulate. Now this is the only part that kind of sketches me out here. It's just a push and lock. Now it is kind of long, it's nice, but I might get some other attachments. I don't really like this. There's a lot of shops that sell smaller ones with the end being right here. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try that because by the time it's long, I also have my shoulder injury to worry about. If I have my soap cannon at the end here, well, that's a lot of weight pushing down. But this one actually is kind of lightweight, so I'm gonna try it in the stock configuration and go from there. That's not bad. What else? Is there anything else in there? Nothing. So next thing I got, ryobi foam blaster. This was about $30. This unit here was $99. It was on special. That's not bad. All right, what do we have here? Oh, it actually comes with a bottle of foam blaster, all-purpose cleaner. So I think that would be better. I'm definitely not going to use that on the car's eye detail, but for other stuff, maybe just like regular cars, if it's your mom's minivan, I might be using this. I don't need a pH neutral, so this is your canister, not bad, not too big, not too small. This here is the actual nozzle. So let's see here, we have, okay, so it's just a kind of like a collar lock on it. And you have this, I guess this is your only adjuster, your on and off. Oh, and this actually adjusts like that. I'm not sure if you can focus on that right there. That's not bad. I like that. It's kind of cool actually. Any pressure washer can hook up onto it. It just goes like that. Screws right in. Also says how many ounces on the side. So that's not bad. It's actually kind of quick to kind of gauge between what and what if you're going full soap, if you want just water. That's actually kind of cool. It's not too heavy as much as I thought, but once this is filled with soap, especially a concentrate like I use, it's gonna get heavy. Definitely gonna get heavy. And also worth noting, you don't even have enough in here to fill your bottle up. So definitely take that under consideration. This also might be a concentrate, so I don't know. Even if it's a concentrate though, you shouldn't be putting that in that. So, So it does come with this. It's not bad. A review to win. Write a review. Apparently I have to write one as well as film one. I might, yeah, put a review in. And yeah, this is a nice little unit. All in all, I paid $140 for this, and this is actually not bad. So I'm detailing a boat tomorrow. Might show you how it works then. We'll see if the client allows me to do so. That's always a good idea to check with the client. If they say no, you can't use the footage. Keep that in mind. So yeah, that's the review for this. I think it's a decent product. We're gonna see how it works.